Hey guys, my name is xxrespect and today we're riding a bike. Well, I'm not riding it, I'm just having a lift. Just up there and back because, you know, me and bikes are just amazing. So I got my sister behind the camera. Wave to the camera.
No.
I'll just not wave to the camera, you know. So she's going to film it, you know, she'd make it go on the road and just watch it from all the way up there and back, so it should be pretty fun. Here we go. That was sick, bro. So, if you want me to do more stuff like this, then let's get to 1,000 likes. So, that's how fast it goes. It went proper fast.
Are we done?
Don't know how much the outro actually got filmed, so, you know, so I'm going to re-film it. That was sick. The guy did explain to me how fast it actually goes. Some 5 km or something, I don't know, or 10, 15, I'm not sure. But if you want to see more videos like this, putting my bike stuff, so you got the boots, I'm going to go and buy the pants and the t-shirt and all that stuff. But this helmet saved my life. I'm only joking. I recommend going on a bike, but it's dangerous. If you want more videos like this, please comment down below. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video because bike videos are the best. Anyway guys, hope you did enjoy this video. Please like, comment and subscribe if you're new. XX respect. Bye.